This is our train of people to pick up a storage. You see the vehicles way down there. This locker here. Haha, I bet you guys thought I was gonna say this unit here, didn't you? Knew it. Psych.
Are we ready?
I was ready. I think. Are you guys ready? Dibs. What are you calling dibs on?
I don't know.
First thing I see. So, why did I want to buy this unit? I know why. I don't know why I wanted to buy this unit, really. I just looked in here, and it's been here for a while, and I've had weird luck at this place. You see the little spoon-looking shelf thing there? What really caught my eye is a 25-cent slot machine right there. That right there, it was interesting.
This caught my
Saw.
eye.
What does it say?
More computer.
More computer. Beep. What's that? It's sticking out of there.
A picture?
Of what? You have Ooh, that is actually dope. What's the year on that? No. That might actually be money. No. That's good for the living room then.
Look.
If it's not.
That goes for your bedroom.
It's actually.
We paid $300. I repeat, $300 for this unit. Sewing machines, $50 to $100. This top half to a refrigerator. Is that the top half or is that the whole fridge?
It's the whole thing.
That's a fridge right there, I think. I don't know what that is. Yes, this is a. You don't remember Ben saying this was a fridge? It goes on the top of something like a washboard or something.
No, it doesn't. That's it.
Okay, that's it. That's a fridge.
Who had one of those up on there? What did it run?
This slot machine right here.
You know how people like that?
Who?
Hat.
Interesting things. Like I said, we paid $300 for this unit. We're about to go through it right now. Give you a little quick tour. Do some unboxing. Nice furniture. This is actually a pretty dang nice little unit. Oh wow. We got some good boxes to go through at the end here, guys. I foresee some really good stuff coming out of this $300 unit. Thank you, baby Jesus. Hold on, try it again.
I'm gonna go get some quarters out of my car.
I got some in my pocket. You want to reach in my right pocket?
No.
Yes, I do.
Ooh, a little to the left.
Little to the
Little
left.
to the left.
Little is to the left.
Wait till tomorrow, Mike. You can wait another day.
I think it needs a plug.
I need the plug. What if it has money in it?
Okay. Where's our camera girl? We need to let her in the gate. And something about this unit, I just felt like buying. There's something about this unit. I don't know why. I had a good feeling. I go off my gut. A lot of people, I think, weren't interested in. They've seen something very gone through, very. But you never know.
I liked it from the gate.
What gate? This gate right here?
No.
Right there? That
I
gate?
like gambling, so that's why I like it.
Ooh, you know why he liked gambling? It was that did it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we get a close up. Ooh, look at that. All right. Here we have the Salt Princess. Michaela Jordan D. Haas. She'll be on camera work attire. They're both in their camera work attire. Uncle Michael is in his normal everyday attire.
That say got salt?
Yeah, it does.
My I Love Lovers shirt. Shout out to I Love Lovers. Anybody out there who don't know nothing about I Love Lovers?
That's my
Learn about it. Come on, dust yours off.
My locker wear.
That's not all locker wear. He has flea market wear on too. His shoes are brought to you by a couple of flea markets ago.
$3.
All right.
$3.
What about Uncle Mike?
Uncle Mike,
He's kind of strict when it comes to flea market.
What are you wearing?
how's
Uncle
my
Mike?
hair look? That's what I'm concerned with.
Your hair looks beautiful. You shaved this morning?
Yes.
Ooh, look
Every
at
day.
this.
Every morning.
We're nice ladies.
Time yesterday. One of the best pirate movies ever. We love pirate movies.
that's not.
Shout out to
Yes.
Dustin Hoffman. Ooh, now the real pirate movies. There's my my idol
Damn,
right there, Jack
this
Sparrow.
thing's all about you. Look at that.
The Pink Panther. This is my box. Doo doo.
Hamburger.
Doo 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 doo
I want a
doo.
hamburger.
Here's your movie. Remember you said a shout out the other day. He said that reminds him of.
One pretty woman right there. Oh, come on.
Yes, she is.
Are these all in there?
Beautiful lady.
This is probably one of the best movies. Oh, it's empty.
You're on probably.
This too. One of the best movies ever made. If you haven't seen Forrest Gump, you live under a rock somewhere, go see it. Just
All the
saying.
Batmans.
Oh, empty,
We have all the
empty.
Batmans. We like the Batmans.
They're all empty.
We do
Two
like the
light grabs.
Batmans.
Well, you also get empty fortune cookies, Uncle Michael.
Empty.
All right. Well, that's not as exciting as boxes. I
Do
was
they have
hoping.
our favorite movie, Dad?
What one?
We don't have our favorite movie on.
Chocolate.
Chonklas.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
hurts.
exactly.
Don't get your Mexican friends mad.
Oh, I'm sure he knows the feeling.
Those are pretty fly if they weren't ripped. You don't like those?
No.
We forgot to do
They remind me
Jasmine's
of Peter
outfit.
Pan's.
We forgot to do
got
your
it on
outfit,
it.
Jasmine.
I don't have my fanny pack on.
Yeah, but you're wearing my jean jacket. I was supposed to be wearing it.
Old man shoes.
Old man shoes.
365 ways to cook Chinese. That's a dinner every single night. You buy this book, you can cook a meal every single night and never eat the same thing twice.
What do you want me to do here?
Just load it. We're supposed to be filming it. That's the most important thing of a storage unit is the film. Light bulb moment.
New towels.
New towels.
How
I'm
many
sure I bet they're
people does
used.
it take to change a light bulb?
Better dollar than not used.
Oh.
Liver with
No,
garlic
winner,
thyme.
tie.
It's a tie.
Trade it.
Use it to pack stuff.
What's that? Get what Uncle Michael's carrying out.
You'll see a lot of me.
Oh my god. Bamboo?
You'll see a lot of me.
Do you have
A lot of
bamboo in
you.
your fridge?
Oh, he said he does most of the work. How y'all feel?
Like he does.
How y'all feel?
Like he does. He does most of the work.
Are you getting this stuff? You get in there close, bro.
Is that pen anything, Mike? No.
Huh?
Just a print? Alright.
Tell us about it, Alex. Tell us a little bit about this.
Now what?
Describe the thing.
Put it in that bag that Alex has.
I am bringing out a backs. That's a bag mixed with box of pictures.
I'm gonna be silent this
Is that a new word?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be silent.
New
People
word
are-
of the day.
people are
Word of the
complaining-
day.
Backs.
People are complaining too much that I pick on you, so I'm gonna be silent.
That's gonna be impossible. You need to be silent.
That is not wrong.
Look at this. $25 item right here. Hold on. Let's get a good inside of
Let's
it.
stick the boots in there.
Those boots are made for walking.
Oh, she's getting good at it.
Round lamp holder kit.
You got what?
I got the
So that's
signature.
$4. This
Give
is
him
$4.
the
We're at
phone.
8.
Not worth it.
Look
know.
at that. $5 a piece right there. That's
When shit
13.
gets- when shit gets
18,
deep, we got some
$30, $25 container there. That's shipping. You should bring that for Liz.
No, this is not. This is posters.
Oh,
Got
let's
this
open
thing
them up.
mastered.
then.
You already know. Your
What do we
pink
got?
hair is
Green
really
tea
looking on
vintage.
fleek today.
Huh?
Your hair's really looking on fleek today.
Creature from the black looking.
Too bad that's not real.
Too bad it's not old.
Yeah, but it's still. What do we got here? 2002.
If you
That's still probably $15-20 on eBay. Is that the only one?
Take it home out. Oh,
Gotta
yes.
get the other one too. Yeah, they're 3.
eBay item?
They'll probably be eBay. but
We
Alex
have
doesn't
any
like
nibbles
eBay.
on the
I like eBay
Nah, look around in there.
if it's worth it.
Yeah, you can. Just don't disturb the integrity.
on the
You have now crossed
Janitor
over
locker?
into the
That's
Twilight
So-
Zone. He likes the
Look at
Twilight
this.
movies.
nice.
The Twilight movies, the love story with the werewolves and the vampires. Yes, I love the Twilight movies.
And Emma Roberts.
This is totally different Twilight
That's
Zone.
not Chris's
That's not
story.
including what we made the
Yes,
day
it is.
before. And all
Yeah,
that.
I'll get a little stuff we sold.
All right, let's get the next one here.
Well, that's good.
500, right?
Frankenstein.
The man who made a monster. This is the story of how I gave birth to you.
These are some.
Oh, I'm a monster?
No,
I
he's talking about the
think-
horrible scene when it happened.
How you came out of my
No,
womb.
no, it's the monster who made.
I think that those 3 posters are eBay. I think that's like $50 on eBay.
Those 3?
Yeah.
I'll
Or you know
eBay
what?
them.
Where we could sell these? You know
Oh,
where
look
we
at
could
this.
sell
Where you
these?
buy them at
Live
right
auction.
here.
You know where we could sell these?
Live auction.
A live auction. Thank you, Michaela. Shout out to live auction and Salvage the Salt Princess for And I think I want this for my living room.
No, your room.
That's what I think, Michaela.
What, for his room?
His room.
I
My
think his
womb.
room.
My womb.
Oh, that too.
What is it? Who's this made by?
Chrome plated.
No, what's-
Saxer?
That's how you say it? Is there an A in that word?
Saxer.
How do you pronounce it first?
I would say sexer.
Yeah, she puts an A in it.
Well, there's
Uncle
an
Michael.
A.
This is beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been needing one of these. See, because Uncle Michael turns water into wine, and now he could be like Rumpelstiltskin officially, and he gets to turn straw into gold.
That's where yarn is
Straw into gold. Rumpelstiltskin, Uncle
It's a
Michael.
knitting machine.
Oh, you
just
guys
like
just
you
made
always
it
say, you turn
hella
water into wine.
glary.
Now you get to turn.
I was just trying to break it because it's kind of like garbage.
You were trying to break it?
Yes.
Oh. What in the...
Was that the right
Alex,
statement?
don't bring this man up us anymore. Ever again.
Ever again.
Ever again.
I was gonna
feel
break
like-
it.
You know
It's
what?
missing all sorts
Just
of
for
stuff.
that, you get to carry the National Geographic box.
Does it
All right.
go? Put that in the. Yeah.
That.
Weird. How is it supposed to fit?
It's not right.
No, it's not.
There's something- there's something like that, 'cause that
this don't
goes-
even go to it.
Yes, it does. See how it connects in there and it makes it spin around.
All right, how many people does it take to make this thing work?
I can't believe Uncle Michael's trying to break this. This is probably the coolest thing we're gonna find.
It's not.
Hey, boo boo.
Maybe it's not supposed to sit like that. Maybe it's supposed to sit all the way this way.
No,
And this thing whips
stop,
all the way
stop.
around.
No,
and
no,
then
no,
falls
no,
back.
no.
Oh yes, maybe. And it goes the other way.
Exactly.
Okay, so far it takes 3 of us. It actually takes 4 if you count Uncle Michael trying to break it. Spin it all the way
No,
around.
we're
like
gonna
you said,
count
and then-
that. It takes 4.
There we go.
No.
No, you had it right. You had it right when you had that. Set it back down. No.
Uncle Michael's taking a break already.
Yes, thank you, honey. I got these breaks in while we got you here.
Break time.
Yeah,
Dang, I'm
that-
hecka smart without even knowing I was smart.
The
And-
smartest person here goes to
Yeah, and then you
Alex.
press. Yeah.
And then Rumpelstiltskin made hay into gold. Remember?
All right, you
Rumpelstiltskin.
guys trying to fix this thing took 3 minutes.
Okay.
This
it
is the
recording?
original.
Hey, boo boo. How about a picnic basket for you?
No, this is the original basket that Little Red Riding Hood.
Anybody seen the Park Ranger?
That's the original.
Oh,
Not even a
I like
titter.
picnic
Not even a titter.
I don't know what that's from.
That's from Yogi Bear.
Yeah, I didn't watch much Yogi Bear. I like the Jungle Book.
Uncle Michael says you're too young. You don't remember.
Well, he's too old.
Are we recording over here?
Yes, I got this.
Record. Let's get this.
New magic.
Ooh. What is that? These are kind of neat. Look at these.
Are these the movies or these?
These are black and white photos. Let's see what we got here. Come on,
Are
good
you
black
watching?
and white. Nope.
Oh, wow.
These get returned.
These are
Those
grandparents.
suck. These are cool.
I think they're related to these people. Oh, look at that thing. What is that? Michaela? Gremlin?
That is a dog.
Oh, I better put my glasses
You
on.
gonna get out there dog like that?
I put my glasses on. Jasmine's a gremlin. She can't eat past 12.
He's kind of cute.
Yeah, but she eats hella food before 12.
Not wrong. You're not wrong.
She ate like 3 dinners the other night when we was eating
Three
panda.
dinners?
She did. She did. Because you brought her home Mexican too.
Yeah.
They love their
you
pets.
You just keep giving
You
it to me.
spoil
How am I
her.
supposed
Will you
to
give
say
me
no?
That one is not you.
The one
can't
word
say
Jasmine
no.
doesn't know how to use is no.
Yeah. What? What's
the
that
one,
word?
The one, yeah, exactly.
Want to get this box here real quick? Every girl's got not much in.
This
Locker food challenge. Careful what you open up. Locker
Yeah.
food challenge.
bird food. That's all
Locker
right.
food challenge, Alex.
Dude, spider.
No.
Spider bear.
Everybody loved the first locker food challenge.
Mike, come on. That's what we're
Don't
gonna
do
do.
that to me. I hate spiders.
This ain't gonna load like this.
I will
Come on.
run so far away.
I know it's not gonna look like that. You're gonna load it up.
No, it's like he needs to put it in a box or something.
We have a rock.
What kind of rock?
Ooh. A boulder.
It's like a shark's tooth.
A shark's tooth?
And we have a vice. That is a $20 bill. What do we get with this? What do we think we get on that rock?
People just.
That's a nice
like,
rock.
collect the boulder.
Let's work our way this way.
Why isn't the Zoom
Clean
working?
up here a little bit as we go. Is it recording?
Yeah, I am. The Zoom isn't working. I was trying to get the machine.
Selma, the queen of perfume. What do you think? Auction?
No. Is it metal?
Yeah.
Alex, can you use your judgment, please?
I think auction.
No, it's too new, but we could try.
Anything's auctionable.
Oh, Michaela Jordan with the positive affirmations.
Or, is that change?
That is kind of change.
Can we have it?
I don't know.
We play games. Take
We
it.
play games.
We play games.
No, we go to round one all the time. We're certified.
We're certified.
Mallet?
Kind of want to bring the boxes outside so we get a better lighting.
It's lighting out there, better.
Yeah.
But it glares sometimes.
Well, you got to stay out of the sun. You got to. That's the thing.
The light is fine.
Oh, there's my ride. I gotta
Oh
go.
my god.
This is about a $20 box right here.
That's Tina out.
Maybe
this is
15.
Carl. Carl! Come on out, Mike. Out here, Mike's cleaning up the units.
Alex has a toolbox. Toolbox is a $30 toolbox.
Yeah, I
Put a
didn't want
couple
to
tools in
Nah,
it.
nah,
And an
not
impact
the 30.
Dave, I wanted to see what you got here. We are gonna do
This is Sears. That's 20. impact set. That's
Oh, that's
$10.
all. See, Tuesday,
Alex, come
Tuesday
on.
at 9, right? All right, sounds good, Carl.
Sipping her tea.
Later. Uh-huh.
Eh.
Put tools in the toolbox.
Die hard Raiders fan right here. Come on.
Because you keep coming up and grabbing it.
Oh,
He's
wooden
being-
chair.
Being disgruntled. Uncle Mike, have a talk with him. Chocolate. Life is like a box of chocolates.
Why?
You never know what you're gonna get.
Nothing.
Nothing. You gotta make something out of
Perception.
nothing. Make something out of nothing.
This right here is
Name
a
the
very
song
wonderful
lyrics.
story we'll tell someday. Right here, this empty box actually tells a story. It's a very sad story of loneliness and despair, and then at the very end is a happy ending when the box becomes
Yeah.
fulfilled.
Show you some real stuff.
Bill Cosby, time flies.
Priceless.
Not Bill Cosby.
Why not? Is he dead yet? Did he die?
No,
Bill
he's
Cosby
in
did
trouble.
not. Oh my God.
I thought he died. He's
People,
old. Other
I'm
than
sorry
black
he
and
said
whites.
that. Look at these black and whites.
I was trying to do a guess the song lyric earlier, but you didn't pay attention.
Well, you should have said guess the song lyric and you tell people to comment below.
Yeah, but then you changed the subject.
Those are nice.
Look at that, I found another unicorn. These are interesting postcards there.
Uh-huh. What's this say?
It says Longer's Garden, Talberg. It's a place.
I want to see you.
Should we go like this? Ready?
Hold on, hold on, hold on,
Camera woman.
hold on.
Wow.
All that for
I kind
that.
of feel bad for you.
Why?
But like now I look at you more and you're starting to look like your dad.
Oh, why would you say that?
That's what makes
You're
her so
gonna
cute.
offend him. But I am adorable on my own.
That's why she's so adorable.
True. That's what I was worried about.
This was nothing. There's absolutely
Absolutely
There's a few
nothing.
bucks in there.
Whoa, yeah. There's $30 in speakers inside of a
$20
$20
in the
trunk.
hopefully,
It's
anything else.
broken. We'll be lucky if we get 20.
Your trunk's not broke, is it?
Grab that in, Uncle Mike.
Oh.